we are reinventing school almost every single day.
At the beginning of the school year, our data team has confirmed more than 2,000 cases of COVID-19 among the tens of thousands of students and staff in East Tennessee schools. We have a map showing the counties in darker colors with a higher proportion of cases in schools. Fentress, Roane, and Jefferson County schools are reporting about 16 cases per 1,000 people.
But as 10 News reporter Grace King shows us, increased community spread is impacting districts as well.
As COVID-19 cases rise in Tennessee, school districts are feeling the impacts.
The numbers are getting a little bit heavier.
Mainly from contact tracing.
It's working. So your cases in your schools are low, in part because of quarantine.
In Knox County, nearly 1,500 students and staff members are currently in isolation or quarantine, and 4 schools are either partially or fully online.
They do everything they can to minimize the number of students that have to be quarantined.
In Hawkins County, some bus routes are impacted.
It's not necessarily the drivers themselves, but they've been in enough close proximity to where it still kind of creates some problems.
Kids are still getting to school, but some a bit later.
There's a lot of times when the only thing they can do is run their route and then turn around and kind of run another one.
And in Hamblin County, Superintendent Jeff Perry is preparing for the inevitable.
There's going to be a great opportunity for that super spreader event that would happen over Thanksgiving.
After break, he's recommending middle and high school students go virtual for a week and sending elementary school students home with learning packets.
Then by the end of the week, we should know if they're symptomatic or not, and then that will prevent them from, of course, coming to school and then spreading this.
I'm Grace King reporting.
Maryville City Schools is also struggling to fill substitute positions. A spokesperson said they have reported 16 new cases this week. Let's get to the numbers now. Knox County today reports its average number of new cases per day has reached a new peak. This shows the number of new cases in Knox County every day since April, and that dotted blue line is the 14-day average of new cases. You'll see it peaked in late July, again in September, and it's once again climbing. Experts say these peaking numbers are something to keep in mind as you consider your holiday plans.
Try to limit your exposure in general leading up to travel. So, you know, of those 2 weeks leading up to when you're going to go see family members, which is pretty much now, if you're going to travel for Thanksgiving, limit your exposures as much as possible. You know, don't go out with friends in between now and then, or have dinner parties at your house and those types of things.
Across East Tennessee, 4 counties reporting a total of 8 new COVID-19 related deaths. Blount, Granger, Monroe, and Sevier counties are all reporting new deaths today. In addition, Blount County is also reporting 45 new COVID-19 cases.
We move to the